Atoms make up all matter. Any matter that is made up of only one type of atom is referred to as an element, and atoms are the smallest particle of any element. Atoms have a dense neutron and proton center called a nucleus, which is then surrounded by a cloud of electrons. The outermost cloud of electrons strives for 8 electrons to complete its valence shell. Atoms can share electrons between each other in order to help complete this shell. For example, the element chlorine has 7 valence electrons, and the element sodium has 1. Together they make up the compound called sodium chloride. When they make this compound, chlorine and sodium share their electrons in order for them to both have a complete valence shell. When atoms share electrons in this way, it is called a bond. Organic chemistry primarily focuses on compounds that contain carbon atoms, which form 4 bonds in each compound that they make up. Most of these will involve bonds with carbons and hydrogens. These molecules are called hydrocarbons. Bonds between carbons are drawn as lines, and at the end of each line is a carbon. Hydrogens are never drawn at all in order to simplify the drawings of these molecules. For example, in a hydrocarbon with 2 carbons, each carbon atom will have 4 bonds, 3 with hydrogens and 1 with the other carbon. But to simplify this into a line drawing, the hydrocarbon is simply drawn as one single line. Hydrocarbons with 1 bond between each atom are called alkanes, and hydrocarbons with 2 bonds are called alkenes. Alkanes can react with other molecules in 2 ways, either by combustion reaction or a substitution reaction. Like alkanes, alkenes can also undergo substitution reactions. However, because of their double bond, alkenes can react by way of an addition reaction when this bond breaks.
Let's get down to business to defeat alkenes. Did they send me inhibitors when I asked for catalysts? You're the saddest atoms I've ever met, but you can bet before we're through, Mr. I'll make an alkane out of you. Tranquil has a forest or fire from within. Once you find your Markovnikov, you are sure to win. If you've got a hydrogen atom to add on, then it goes with other hydrogens, it's true. Somehow I'll make an alkane out of you. I'm gonna catch the rainwater, a hydrogen reaction is my plea. Boy, I was a fool in school for cutting Chem. This professor's got me scared to death. Maybe I'll give it a little hydrogen with bromine. Now this alkene is starting to look slim. Bromine steals hydrogen's electron with all the force of great electronegativity. With all the strength the alkane donates its electron. Stop here and it will be too soon. The reaction is racing forward until bromine arrives. The carbocation takes the bromine to survive. Alone you're unsuited for the rage of war. So bromine unpacks, it's home, we're through. How could I make an alkane out of you? Bromine steals hydrogen's electron with all the force of great electronegativity. With all the strength the alkane donates its electron. Stop here and it will be too soon. Bromine steals hydrogen's electron with all the force of great electronegativity. With all the strength the alkane donates its electron. Stop here and it will be